And welcome to the WIVA 2019 Pet Parade. Starting off our parade is Gracie with her 6-week-old kittens. The white one was named Toby. Aren't they adorable? And then we have Mrs. Jewett's dog Zip, who doesn't look to be much larger than Gracie's kittens. Isn't he a cutie patootie? This is Jaden with Charlie. And Mr. McNamee's dog named Kita. Here's Brenna with Rocky. And here's Taylor with Rio the bird, who is 25 years old, and El Diablo the lizard, who is 1. It's quite the age difference. There's Dr. Hayward's partner and adventurer, Bo. And Creighton with Winter the cat and his lovely dog. Mrs. Schultz has 3 dogs. The white dog is Bo, the black dog is Piper, and the brown dog is Whiskey. Cassidy has a pet pig named Miss Pickles and 3 dogs, Maggie, Lila, and Breeze. Mrs. Holden claimed that this were her 2 pets, Kirsten and Captain. I'm thinking Captain's the dog. Here's Shiloh with Ba and Zeus. I love the pink shoes, by the way. Those are fantastic. And Vivian with Frida, the black and white dog, Mater, the German Shepherd, and Sif, the Pit Bull. Here's Harrison with his dog Boris. And Precious with her beautiful black cat named Angel. Trevor has a cute little puppy. Look at that 6-month-old Lexi. What an adorable baby. And Jensen doesn't have any pets yet, but these are some possible new arrivals. What cutie patooties those are. Christopher has a little Shih Tzu puppy. And Micah has a Border Collie Australian Shepherd mix. Micah said she's full of energy and I love playing with her. She's probably pretty hard to keep brushed too. Look at all that beautiful hair. Mrs. Veal's 2 dogs, Ruffy and Higgins. And to round it out, Dr. Kerr's Pet Clan. We've got Fergus, the Scottish Terrier, who is 6-month-old. He's our newest arrival. Scout is our Black Lab Aussie Shepherd, who is 7. Peanut is our German Shepherd, who is 3. And Olivia is our Husky Mix, who is 11. And at the top is Sasha, the cat. She's the ruler of all the pets in the house. And that's the end of the 2019 WIVA Middle School Pet Parade.